Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Kinhur Menteri Jong Sorkar Jilla Hagaski Balang Karpulai Trigurusau Arajar Posau Kla Mynjur Yaga Jingtarwa Ben Shimram Naki Asian Development Bank Naga Bentan Pentrikam Yaga Project Support Human Capital Development Hamigalaya Phase 2 Ka Menteri Jong Sorkar Jilla Ka Dr. Amrin Lingdo Hakajingkaran Bakilar Pathai Kubor Hadim Melawai Ka Jingalang Jang Kinhur Menteri Kabalong Resu Belpara, Klayatho, Bakanai po person, Nakaram, on Samang Kumigran Shaka Jilla, Yagaba on Sasiu, Daga Sorkar Pring, Bachipo person, Jonkaram, on Sasiu Daga Sorkar Jilla.
Availing loan from the Asian Development Bank for implementation of the project Support Human Capital Development in Meghalaya Phase 2. Cabinet was pleased to approve this proposal and as per the cabinet note, government will now avail a 90% grant from the ADB, and out of this entire loan, 10% of it is a loan which the government of Meghalaya will pay in the long run. 90% of this loan will be paid or borne by the central government, as has been done or has been the practice all these years.